In this video, you will learn how to query a data layer on a map using selection tools. The query tools allow you to learn more about specific areas in your field by selecting the areas and viewing data about only those points in a report format. To begin, open SMS. Start by creating a map of the data you would like to query. Click the Select Type icon in the Map toolbar. Choose one of the Select Type options of your choosing. Using the selected tool, outline a section of your field that you want to query. Once the selection is made, click the Query Current Layer icon in the Map toolbar. A numbered query result will now be displayed at the bottom of the map window, displaying the average, total, minimum, and maximum values of the attribute you are viewing in the map, and the area of the selected points. These results can be printed by clicking Print on the Query Results page. Click the Reset Cursor icon in the Map toolbar, or select a different tool to clear any selections and deactivate the selection tool. You can clear query result by clicking the Clear Query Results button. You have now learned how to query a data layer on a map using selection tools. For more short tutorials from Ag Leader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.